Hi guys, I wanted to show you my 3 new orchids. This one is a Oncidium miniature. It's a miniature Oncidium. One of the bulb is as big as my pinky. The last tip of the pinky. It's another Oncidium, and I'm guessing this is a cherry baby because it has the characteristic. It has the flat pseudobulb and has 2 leaves at both sides there, and it has a yuki. And anyway, 2 of this is equals to 11 of this. So this is 11 and 14 pieces, but that's not including the 11. And this one is a Dendrobium. Don't know what is the color of the bloom. I can't tell anything about this so much because you cannot say anything about a Dendrobium until it's bloom. Yeah, this is much bigger than the 3-in-1 hybrid, and it's in spike right now. It's when my mother bought it. I got this from a farm in Malolos. Anyway, there's the spike growing, and this one show you my 3 new orchid. And you have any suggestion about the Oncidium, because I am pretty new in doing this, but I totally love this small one because it's so cute and there's so many. I got this from the friend of my mom, and it's in a pretty good condition, but this has a lot of sunburn, so I think it wouldn't bloom until this pinky is complete. I'm trying hard to make this bloom because I want to see its flower. I haven't seen any flower of a Oncidium, but I have seen so many Bandas flower in Dendrobium and Cattleya too. And this is a mounted orchid anyway, so just trying to capture its natural. I put it in its natural environment. I put it in a 3-fern slab. I attach it there, but I put coconut husk, and you can see it has no holes. But that's the reason why. It's because it has it has a hole in here, but the only thing is it's so airy already, so I think I don't need to put holes in this. It kind of look good already. And I noticed at my last video that I said that I'm 4 foot or 4.3 feet long. But I'm not. I'm 5.3. Sorry for that. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this, please like, or even just comment any suggestion, especially Brad Taylor. Seen his collection of Oncidium. He has pretty much all the species but in the Dendrobium, I think I didn't need because I had a lot of this and a lot of experience with Dendrobium. So thank you for watching, guys. Just subscribe, like, or comment. Thank you. And if you have any suggestion if I might be wrong in my guess, if you can name them, please also give it below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.